if the PNC app crashes the moment you open it, don't rush to reinstall just yet. First, restart your phone. Low memory is one of the biggest causes of startup crashes. After restarting, head over to your settings app and then in iPhone storage, check whether you have enough free storage. Banking apps won't open properly if your device is nearly full. Next, head over to your app store, search for PNC mobile banking and then check if an update is available. If you're already on the latest version, Android users should clear cache. And for iPhone users, head over to settings and iPhone storage, look for the PNC app and then offload the app. After that offloading, you can reinstall the app. Also, in settings, search for battery and then make sure your low power mode is turned off. Then this can interface with secure apps, so make sure to turn it off. If the app still crashes after all these, reinstalling is the final fix. Long press on the PNC app icon and then reinstall it. To reinstall, head over to App Store and then reinstall it from the App Store only. Reinstalling is the final fix and in most cases it works immediately, and that's it. Subscribe for more.